If you hold 10 million SHIB, you must see this. Shiba Inu coin news today. Meme coin Shiba Inu recently registered a decline in its price, but the developers are leaving no stone unturned to burn large amounts of tokens daily. Their efforts are now reflecting on SHIB's chart. Furthermore, SHIB Burn just recently announced that they plan to launch a new iOS Android and Alexa skill for the SHIB Burn radio application. Today we're going to talk all about what's going on with Shiba Inu coin right now and why you should hold 10 million SHIB tokens. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on 19th of September. Shall we? After erasing all of the previous gains, the price of the Shiba Inu has been circling about the volume point of control, i.e. 118 cents. The volume point of control is the highest traded volume for the selected sector. After flipping, the Shiba Inu price stabilized above the 118 cent support level for a while before beginning a 50% surge. After SHIB violated this confluence during the previous trading day, the beginning of the downtrend was validated. If the trend continues, Shiba Inu will drop by nearly 25% and trade between 83 cents to 93 cents. This action may appear bearish in the short term, but it will lay the groundwork for the long-term bullish play. It's amusing to watch how the price has steadied at this stage. The next objective could be somewhere around 180 cents. Since the price could form the triple top or reverse down, the profit level can be around these levels for an extended period of time with a brief 43% uptick. A decrease in the weekly support level at 87 cents is anticipated if the point of control collapses. Price either holds above $0.118 and surges to $0.28, or price breaks through the point of control and drops to $0.83 or $0.90. Shiba price usually surges by 50%, 60%, or 70% in a day or two, and if this plays out well, then the price could fall by 7.46% by the end of September. Presently, the price has dropped by 2.61% over the past 24 hours and now trading at 117 cents. In conclusion, Shiba Inu's ability to produce a daily candlestick close above the 118 cents threshold will signal bearish weakness. The negative forecast would be invalidated if this barrier were to reverse into a support floor. This development could cause the Shiba Inu price to rise before it should. Now let's get back to the topic. SHIB Burn just recently announced that they plan to launch a new iOS Android and Alexa skill for the SHIB Burn radio application. The app will further increase SHIB's burn rate, which has already spiked considerably over the last few weeks. Interestingly, SHIB Burn revealed that more than 1.36 million SHIB were burnt in the last 24 hours. With all these movements help the SHIB ecosystem and affect its price action in the coming days. As of last week, SHIB gained 3%, which can be considered as a satisfactory gain. However, at the time of writing, the altcoin was down by 6% in last 7 days at press time. SHIB was trading at 117,500 millionths of a dollar with a market capitalization of $6,450,286,234. A major reason for this decline could be the after effects of the merge, which pushed several altcoins' prices downwards. But several other metrics were also to blame for SHIB's recent price decline. For instance, the market value realized value (MVRV) ratio went down along with the daily active addresses. These could be taken as bearish signals suggesting a further downtrend in the coming days. Moreover, according to CryptoQuant's data, net deposits on exchanges were high compared to the 7-day average. This can be interpreted as higher selling pressure in the market. Nonetheless, a few metrics also indicated a trend reversal as SHIB's exchange reserve continued to fall. This could be taken as a sign of lower selling pressure. Moreover, SHIB's social volume also spiked considerably in the last week, has indicated increased interest from the crypto community. In the meme coin, SHIB's daily chart revealed an ambiguous scenario, as certain market indicators suggested a downtrend, while others pointed out a possible trend reversal. The exponential moving average EMA ribbon registered a bearish crossover, which further increases the chances of a price decline. Soon the moving average convergence divergence MACD also painted a similar picture as it showed a bearish edge in the market. However, the relative strength index and checking money flow provided some relief as they moved slightly upward. Shibarium developer unification has also revealed a few important updates on the forthcoming SHIBA INU Layer 2 protocol, including specifics on XFund and a SHIBaswap. According to an official announcement from the Unification Foundation, plans are still underway for the fourth alpha and public test nets of the upcoming protocol. The announcement also doubles down on plans for these test nets slated for the end of September or sometime shortly thereafter. Unification reminds the community the deadline for final XFund's claims is near on August 22nd. The Unification Foundation successfully into the last XFund and set a 1-month maximum claiming period ending on September 22, 2022. After this deadline, the smart contract will burn any unclaimed XFund tokens. Unification also states that the final supply could be less than the initial 10K plans and specify that as of the time of writing, the current supply was 988 on the shibaswap bonus. Some XFunds will be claimable until next year. The announcement states that although the smart contract will burn leftover XFunds, unclaimed tokens from the shibaswap and XFund yield portals will be available for withdrawals until early 2023. Depending on the outcome of a planned governance proposal, the XFunds will transfer to the Unification Community Fund. Tokens will be used to reward participants and members of the community who contribute to innovation and other efforts to advance the network. The first public beta test net will focus primarily on developers and delegators, so that the network is ready for all participants upon official launch. The announcement also specifies that the upcoming public beta will ensure that the mainnet launch is secure by fine-tuning the process of fixing bugs and open testing. Also, all interested validators will to join the beta in preparation for the mainnet launch. Furthermore, the announcement promises support for the Ethereum merge. Unification plans to provide support for ETH2 as well as the old fork, as it believes this is the best course of action for the entire sector. We will endeavor to continue supporting the original fork in addition to the new ETH2 network. Given that Unification looks to support all expansions of decentralization, we believe providing the best tools possible for all channels serve the greater blockchain worlds. Update on Shibarium's BONE and SHIBA tokens. The network has officially suspended minting BONE in compliance with an earlier concluded community decision. BONE, the official gas for the Shibarium protocol, has now hit the 230 million mark, the upper limit decided for BONE farming in June. The community decided to stop minting BONE at 230 million to allow SHIBAIN validators access to the remaining 20 million of BONE's total maximum supply. At least 20 million BONE is necessary for normal protocol operations. SHIBA INU has also hinted at launching multiple tokens, including SHI and TREAT. While SHI will be the ecosystem's official stablecoin, TREAT will exclusively function as a reward token. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a SHIBA holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Crypto Insider. Bye.